10, 11, 12. Hey everybody, Chris here, and we are going over pattern number 2 of the escobilla for Alegrías in E major. So hopefully you have the music and it's printed out right in front of you. We have already gone over what I would teach you as the first pattern. So we've talked about a lot of technical things that maintain from that first pattern. And so make sure to continue with those. We are going to now go into straight eighth notes. That's what you heard until the very end. So this escobilla melody is 2 compasses long, okay? 2 cycles of 12 beats. It starts on beat 1, and then you'll hear that the changes are on beat 10, okay? So we go 1, oh yeah, hopefully you have the music in front of you. I think I already mentioned that, but my brain is racing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we change that B11 over a sharp. And then we go to the next melody. Now we're starting the next compás. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back to the E. 10, 11, 12. Or 10, 11, 12. And then we're going to keep our thumb doing rest strokes. And then now with my thumb, you should not lift it. Please don't lift your thumb here. You go thumb, thumb. See how my thumb is on the 4th string, everybody? This thumb is on the 4th string. And now I'm ready to do this. And I basically empty the cup out. Okay? All right. It's like a trap door. And that's the only quarter note. Everything else is straight eighth notes, okay? So I played that intro at 138. Let me play it a little slower. I'll play it at 120, okay? All rest strokes with my thumb, all free strokes with the index finger on that high E string, okay? So we'll start on beat 1. I'm going to say 10, 11, 12, and then we start on 1, okay? Here we go. And 10, 11, 12. Okay, you should be able to continue it like that. I don't want you to get used to it's a really bad habit that is not unique to any type of musician, all musicians. It's like we learn a phrase and then we forget that we have to be able to repeat that phrase or connect it to something else. So if you're learning a single phrase, it's just good to loop it so that way you get used to going to something else, even if you're not going to play that, whatever you learn twice in a row. But it just to have that ability to continue, okay? All right, so let me know if you have any questions. I am here for you. I need you to practice this pattern a ton because now we're going to be developing it and putting, picado and rajeo and alzapúa and all that stuff with it. So make sure you feel very comfortable with this. Work with different metronome settings. And again, if you have any questions at all, I'm here for you. Have a great day. Get to work. Enjoy it. Bye-bye.